Hi fam, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So essentially I'm about to share with you how I use my DIY anti-dandruff products on my hair. If you've been following me for some time now, you realize that I decided to go on an dandruff control regimen, and I have made some products to that effect. So I made a shampoo. I've also made a scalp exfoliation treatment, and I'm gonna be using this shampoo and also this scalp exfoliation treatment, these two products on my hair, for you to see how I am using them. If you haven't watched the video on how I made these, I will definitely link them in the description box and also in the card so above, so that you can check them out. So before I start off, I first moisturize my hair. You don't have to start on dry hair, so I just make sure that my hair is moisturized, and then I go ahead to wet my scalp, or let me say moisturize my scalp. This is to start off on a scalp that is wet. I don't encourage that you start on a dry scalp, because there's already product on your scalp, and so you just need to start off with a moisturized or wet scalp. Yes, so what I do is to work in sections, and then I go ahead with my scalp exfoliation treatment. This is made with organic herbs. I have neem in there, I have salicylic acid in there, which is a great exfoliant, and I use that on my scalp. This is specifically to be used on the scalp, and what it does is that it helps to take off the dandruff in the hair, on the scalp. So it dissolves the flakes. It helps to remove all the dandruff, and you have an easy time washing your hair. So if you have a lot of dandruff in your hair, you have to try this, and just you thank me later. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just applying the exfoliation treatment on my scalp, and what I'm doing is that I'm also like massage it in the scalp. Now I decided to do a pre-poo with this, so that's why you see me apply this on my hair, but you don't necessarily need to use this as a pre-poo. You can just use it on your scalp and then you wash it off. So I do this on my hair, and yeah, it's on the whole section of my hair. You make sure that when you are doing stuff like this, you work in sections. That would help you get the product on every portion of your hair and scalp. So you can see that I'm applying the product on my scalp, and I'm really massaging it on my scalp so that it takes away, or it melts away, all the dandruff in my hair. So you just need to do this the whole time, just to make sure that your hair is pretty much soaked up with the product. So I'm done with the first half of my hair, and this is how it is on my hair. It feels, I don't know how it feels, but it feels great on my scalp, but I could feel some, I can't really describe it that much, but I could feel some sensations on my scalp, and I'm just using it on my whole hair. So this, I have the product on my scalp, and this is how it is. It is very, very cool. Now after this, I just leave it on my scalp for like 5 minutes, even though I mean you can wash it off instantly, and then I wash it off. So this is how my hair is after I wash it off. One thing I would say about this is that when you wash it off, your hair feels like you've co-washed it. I mean, that is how I feel like my hair is. It feels like I have co-washed my hair. And so with this, you don't necessarily need to wash your hair twice. You can wash your hair just once and you are good to go. Now the next thing I'm using is my shampoo. This is my anti-dandruff shampoo. If you haven't watched the video on this, I would link it in the card above so that you see it. It will also be in the description box. This is a sulfate free shampoo, and it is made with mild surfactants that will not strip your hair of its natural oils. And so if you want to know how I did this shampoo, you can definitely check it out. Now the shampoo is also, it also lathers very well, and it is also made with neem and also anti-dandruff products, ingredients that will help your hair. I like this shampoo because first of all, I did it myself. Secondly, it lathers well, and also it helps to really get my scalp clean. So I really love this product. So what I do is to first apply it on my scalp, which is why you see me applying on my scalp. Now if you already water in my hair, that's where you see the product really lathering when I put it in my hair. So after I have put it in my hair, I just go ahead to put the rest in my scalp, on my hair. I mean, first on my scalp and then put it on my hair. Now, what I would say is that if you're washing this in a shampoo, it will be way better because you're able to get the water in your hair and also the product in your hair. But I'm not doing this under the shower, so which is why you see that it looks this way. Yeah. So pretty much I just apply the whole thing on my hair. So after doing this, you can just go ahead to add some more water, especially if you are under the shower. But if you are not, just like me, just go ahead to put the product in your hair, and then when it's time to go rinse it off, you just rinse it off. So like I said before, when you're using this, you don't necessarily need to wash your hair twice. Why? Because the exfoliating treatment has already cleansed the scalp, and so you don't necessarily need to wash your hair twice. Otherwise you're just going to be stressing your hair. So I'm just massaging the whole shampoo into my hair, and then after this I go ahead to wash it off. Now this is my hair after it has been washed, guys. My hair feels really clean, and I like how it feels. My scalp is also very clean. I'm not seeing any dandruff residues on my scalp, which is a good thing, which shows that my scalp exfoliation treatment has really helped dissolve the product. And I feel like my hair is more voluminous, which is a great thing because most times when I shampoo my hair, it shrinks really fast. But this, you can see for yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.